Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair rose 0.6% in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The Aussie-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The oil-dollar pair dove 1.8% in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
Gold prices climbed on Friday, en route to their best week in 5, with zero-yield bullion building on momentum fueled by weaker US jobs data last week that reinforced expectations for interest rate cuts by the Federal Reserve. China's consumer prices rose for a third straight month in April, while producer prices extended declines, signaling an improvement in domestic demand as Beijing navigates challenges in its bid to shore up the economy. China's car exports surged to a record high in April as domestic sales slipped 5.8% from a year earlier amid intensifying price competition and consumers' caution about spending on big items during a shaky economic recovery.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US 3-month bill auction will be released at 15:30 GMT, the US 6-month bill auction at 15:30 GMT, Finland's current account at 5 GMT. The Portuguese Consumer Price Index will be released at 10 GMT, the Eurozone's Eurogroup meeting at 7 GMT, Japan's Producer Price Index at 23:50 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.